Meanwhile, the West Indies batsmen will not have England's all-time leading test bowler James Anderson to contend with for the second test at Old Trafford, with the 38-year-old being rested along with fellow pacer Mark Wood. Selectors have also opted to drop batsman Joe Denley, with captain Joe Root expected to retake his number 4 spot and Zach Crawley moving up to number 3 in the batting lineup. England have, however, named all-rounder Sam Curran and on-capped Sussex fast bowler Ollie Robinson in their 13-man squad. Meanwhile, skipper Root, who missed the opening test following the birth of his second child, is backing Stuart Broad to come good if he's selected in the final 11 for tomorrow's start of the second test after missing out on the first match.
And one thing that you'll get from Stuart when he gets his opportunity again is he'll be desperate to prove a lot of people wrong and to go out there and put in a real strong performance. And that's how I suppose you get that strength in depth is from guys like that, showing how it's done when it's their turn to do so.
Broad is in line for a recall after being omitted in favour of Anderson, Wood and Jofra Archer in Southampton.